What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, y'all. I'm looking crusty and stuff, but that's just to let you know that a bad bitch look good no matter what, in all ways. You feel me? Today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial on how I do my hair, because I do all my hair, everything. So I'm finna be doing 2 ponytails. I'm gonna be inserting a picture. It's gonna be right there somewhere. My hair, y'all, because it's real shrinkage. I washed it like yesterday and my hair real thick. I'm finna get into this video. Finna do this 2 slick down ponytails. We finna be fire. Flat iron my hair. What flat irons I have is, I got these ones. I got these from you can get it from your local Sally's. It's these Baby Bliss Pro. Yeah, titanium. It's good for your hair, have that shit slick. And you know, when you doing this slick ponytail, you want that shit slick. So I'm finna start by just flat ironing my whole head, and I'm just show y'all a few clips on how to do that. The products that I'm gonna be using is this Bio Silk. Do some Sebastian too, because you want that shit to be slick. And have this shit too when you doing your ponytail, because you know, instead of that got to be spray, you can use this. It's the same thing. My logo right there, Me and More Beauty. So, finna get into this video.
Anywhere I can, I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
What's up, y'all? So, I just got done with the back half. I just got done with the back half, and I'm just pressing it. A little biotin oil in my scalp, not on my hair. I'm finna move to the next section, and then that's the top. I'm looking crazy right now.
No one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on. Give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
What's up, y'all? So I just got done doing a slick down thing, and when you done at the end, you want to spray your Sebastian. So what you want to do is you want to get your styling strips. You can get this at your local beauty supply. Like a smack, and I ain't even done yet. You see that? On this part, when you get to the end, you want to make sure you grab like a piece of hair, like enough hair, so you won't have to go back in. Just on this shirt. Currently in my bathroom, but I just put some bio silk on the hair and sprayed it like with the Sebastian. Just so I have your braid here. There you have it. And put some ponytail and beads. So thank you for watching. You can achieve this look what you want. You know, all the products that you need is some flat irons, comb, Sebastian spray, some bio silk, your bundles, and just some edge control. And it's the She Bomb edge control. That's the edge control that I use. Y'all can go ahead and sponsor me. But yeah, it's lit. Thanks for watching.